You keep saying you don't have time. But if you're being honest, that's not really the problem. Think about it. You say you don't have time to work on your goals, but somehow there's time to scroll, time to watch videos, time to check your phone again and again. And listen here, I'm not judging. We all do this. But at some point, you have to stop and ask, what's actually going on here? The truth is, most people don't have a time problem. They have a priority problem. Because you always make time for what feels important or what feels easy. And most of the time, distractions are easier than discipline. So your day fills up with small tasks, random distractions, other people's demands. And by the end of the day, you feel busy, but nothing actually moved your life forward. And here's another layer most people won't admit. A lot of us aren't just busy. We are avoiding hard work, avoiding discomfort, avoiding the things that actually matter. So instead of doing the one thing that could change everything, you do 10 things that don't. And it feels productive, but it isn't. That's the trap. So how do you fix it? Not by trying to manage time better. That's not the answer. You fix it by taking control of your priorities. Decide your top 3 priorities. Not 10, not 5, just 3. If something isn't in your top 3, it's not important right now. Start saying no. Every yes to something that doesn't matter is a no to something that does. I've said this before. Trick your time for a few days. Simple but powerful. Where is your time actually going? Because once you see it, you can't ignore it anymore. Protect your best hours. You have hours in the day when your energy is highest. Stop giving those away. Use them for the work that matters most. So no, you don't need more time. You need better decisions, clearer priorities, and a little more honesty about where your day is actually going. Because your life isn't built on how busy you are, it's built on what you choose to do with your time. If you haven't subscribed already, do it now. We are building a life of winning here. Till next time, win with Linda.